The next way that we can override delivered content is using a tool called the component part mapping. And I'm not sure which version of OpenBuildings this showed up. I can't remember. It was one of those things I was like, oh, that's nice, but it's pretty powerful. Basically, it will take PAZ files, BXC files, BXF files, XMLs, and .cel files and remap different parts to those cells. Okay, if you had a door like that PAZ file, which we use for our parametric cells for our door, you would have to open up the parametric cell tool to actually go in and be remapping it. And it's a little difficult to go through and be doing that. This will allow you to go in and select multiple doors, a whole folder, and be remapping them. So we'll take a look at a video here of going through to the mapping. So from you go to File, Utilities, Part Utilities, and then go to Component Mapping. It opens up a dialog box, and I'm just going to choose one door, but you choose a door. I have a copy of a door that I put down in my work set. And then on the left is what is the delivered family and part. And on the right, you can go in and do your override. So I went into my project and my work set, and I made a new family called exterior doors. And then I made exterior door parts because I want to have different symbology. I might want them on different levels as well. Of course, you do have to go into the data group system to make a new category of exterior doors, but this is allowing you to, you're actually drilling inside of that cell. So it's remapping the 2D to a new level or line style. It's doing the door swing. So you're just going through and selecting these. And I picked one door, but you could be doing a large group of these as well, as I said. So it's just another tip would be if you're overriding the delivered content is to back it up, or maybe I should have renamed this ext door for that PAZ file. It does create a backup, so it will take the PAZ file and put a .bak extension when it does this override for you, but it's kind of good practice maybe to rename a PAZ file. So if it's going to be a different type of door like this exterior one. So just finishing up, going to getting the last one here with my slow poking around of selecting them, push a button. It's very fast. So that's how fast it was. And just to show you that it worked, I can go up to the add files, select that one door, click on it, and you're seeing now there are the new exterior door families and parts that are embedded in that PAZ file. So it's something that I think a lot of you could take advantage of to make a lot of, expand your libraries and be able to put your custom or specific project-specific information on our delivered content.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.